Ang mga binibidyo ko, mga ano yan eh. Local flight. Domestic pala. Nag-setbelt na ako. Para mga Saudi yung inaan ko dati. Diba? Ang mga ina-upload ko dati puro Saudi. Dito na naman, Philippine Airlines sa Cebu Pacific. Init much. Diba? Pang ano lang siya, pang tawag doon, short video.
Oxygen mask will drop from above. Remove your personal
Diba?
mask. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you.
Sa susunod, Cebu Pacific. Kami ni Bok.
Pull elastic back from function.
No?
And breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it.
Siguro nag-start na, di man matawagan.
Keep assure other passengers
Nag-message ako.
in procedure assistance. Put your mask on first before asking them.
Hindi ko alam number, may bagong number yata. Wala yata internet siguro. May message ako, di pa niya nakita. Premium Airport Bus Shuttle.
In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and fast markings, we need you to disconnect to the evacuation.
Ano kaya yung mini-message ni Ho? Ni Honey? Honey.
Follow the safety card, follow the seat buckle, and follow the
May
In
message.
preparation for takeoff, ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbelts in the upright position. Large
May message siya, ewan, di ko alam kung ano yun.
laptops and tablets,
Ewan ko.
including the seat pocket. Window shades open, and a tray table. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Welcome aboard.
As part of our
Yung kasama ko kanina, taga Taiwan pala yun.
please retain your personal face mask throughout the flight. Except when required to don, the aircraft oxygen
Hindi daw nga siya Korea, taga Taiwan.
below your chin. During
Okay naman daw. Sabi ko, will go vacation there. Yeah, good. Diba? Okay, good. A heart of Filipino. Ang tagal mag 3 minutes. Pagbaba ninyo, palakpakan sila. Kasi 3 years, di ba? Palakpakan. Grabe nanginig ako. Walang lakas yung kamay.